the quietest room in the world, where you can't stay for an hour. This room has been set up by Microsoft to test its products and other experiments, which was first established in 2015 and has now been confirmed by the Guinness Book of World Records. This room is set up in Redmond, Washington. We measure the sound in a decibel, but the silence of this room is a little more than -20 decibels. Interestingly, only one person has spent more than 30 minutes in this room, and on average people come out after a few minutes. Because as soon as you go inside the room, you can hear the heartbeat, then you can also hear the sounds of the intestines and stomach, and then you can hear the movement of bones and blood flow. The person sitting in it suffers from a strange condition and leaves the room. It is called the anechoic chamber in English, where sound waves are completely absorbed. That's why the silence here seems so strange, because even the quietest library can have a noise of 40 decibels. But there is a reign of negative decibel. Many people come here and feel the sound of ringing in a few seconds, and it becomes difficult to stop. The second thing is that many people have lost their balance by coming to this room, and people are also afraid of the sound of their breath. Engineers have also installed special plank-like structures around the room and on the roof that absorb sound. That is why it has taken 2 full years to design and manufacture. However, ordinary people cannot visit this room because it is designed for serious scientific